up a pair of old vintage stadium goggles, and the usual problem of the inside laminate glue that they put in. So they basically put some glue in, or some silicone or whatever they used in those days, and then press the glass, squeezes it out, and it's designed as to be a sort of a very simple shatterproof style glass. Well, they're pretty dangerous now because they would just literally shatter in your face because there's no adhesion. It's come off. That's going to have to be replaced. But yeah, let's see what we can do with this. The silicone or whatever they used between the two glass pane laminates with boiling water, just let it sit. This one I'm going to leave until I know for sure that I haven't damaged that one. Then I'll do the same with this side. See the way it starts to react. It's very cautious. You can see it's starting to bubble now. So we'll work around now. I'm just getting with some very light liquid, dishwashing liquid, getting rid of all the dirt in between the bits, and then I'll give them a proper clean through and just disinfect them, because I don't know where these glasses have been for the last 60 years. And now I'm about to wash these. This isn't leather. They didn't make them out of leather. It was a kind of a plasticky stuff that will give it a clean up and dub in it just in case, so we can soften it and give it a good clean. So that's the glass. This is a bit thicker than the other glass, but hopefully I can break it. Okay. One broke.
You need the neatest.
I need the square, yeah. Okay.